Courage by Bernard Weber. There are many kinds of courage. Awesome kinds and everyday kinds. Still, courage is courage, whatever kind. Courage is a spelling bee, and your word is supercilious. Courage is 2 candy bars and saving one for tomorrow. Courage is mealtime and desperately hoping it's not chunky chunks in real gravy again. Courage is nobody better pick on your little brother. Courage is it's your job to check out the night noises in the house. Creak, crack, crunch, tippity tap, bing. Courage is being the new kid on the block and saying flat out, "Hi, my name is Wayne. What's yours?"
"Hi, my name is Wayne. What's yours?"
Courage is tasting the vegetable before making a face. Courage is not peeking at the last pages of your whodunit book to find out who did it. Courage is being the first to make up after an argument. Courage is deliberately stepping on sidewalk cracks. Courage is the bottom of the ninth, tie score, 2 outs, bases loaded, and your turn to bat. Courage is the juicy secret you promised never to tell. Courage is being sudsed and scrubbed by strangers. Courage is breaking bad habits. Courage is suddenly remembering a silly joke and trying not to giggle when everyone else is being especially serious. Courage is arriving much too early for a birthday party. Courage is sending a Valentine to someone you secretly admire and signing your real name. Courage is admiring, but not plucking. Courage is going to bed without a nightlight. Courage is deciding to have your hair cut. Courage is trying to cover up your mean, jealous side. Courage is explaining the rip in your brand new pants. Courage is going on it again. Courage is if you knew where there were some mountains, you would definitely climb them. Courage is exploring heights and depths. Courage is a blade of grass breaking through the icy snow. Courage is starting over. Courage is holding on to your dream. Courage is being a firefighter or a police officer. Courage is sometimes having to say goodbye. Courage is what we give to each other. The end. Thanks for watching. You can purchase my book at www.facebook.com Tumpsky and Mrs. Small/shop. Look below under Show More.
My favorite part is when he pulls those roots right out of the ground. And then he takes off down the path to make new friends.
And my favorite part is when the big bear chases him and they have to run and run and run. Yeah. I think my favorite part was when he fell out of the water barrel and landed on his tummy. And oh my goodness, they broke his arm. Oh, that hurts. That gotta hurt. Oh, God, that's gotta hurt. Oh, yeah. No.
I liked it when Al followed him everywhere he went. Yep.
Oh, my favorite part was when the fishermen, they jumped on the boat and they swam away. Yeah, it was funny.
Even though they did not have a flamingo in this story. Well, Peekaboo, still liked it. Yep.
Subscribing is free. Click on the bell next to subscribe so you can be notified of new shows. Click on the next show that you'd like to watch. They're happily made for you. Happy reading! See you soon!